What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to do something that I said in the last video we're going to do, and that's motorcycle live. Going to go over to the NEC Birmingham, and we're going to go and have a little wander around. Something that massively I look forward to every year. Motorcycle Live is a really good show. If you haven't been, it's every brand pretty much, from BSA to Harley to Triumph, Honda, Yamaha, but they've got always the same massive array of bikes on offering, so you can get some live action in the demo area, and some other bits. But yeah, gonna go get some breakfast, get a cheeky McDonald's first.
Are you ordering now today?
No, can I get a breakfast wrap meal with brown sauce and a cappuccino, please?
Yeah.
That's everything. That's everything, thank you.
Next one, you can, please.
Thanks, mate. Can I have a couple of sugars, please? Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Cheers. So yeah, I had some Motorcycle Live. See my breakfast wrap first. What's your go-to McDonald's breakfast? I'm a bit of a McDonald's fiend, if I'm honest, especially in the mornings with my job being mobile out of a van. But yeah, probably the one. Let's make our way there then. Tell you something, it would not be the M6 motorway if there wasn't traffic. By far one of the worst motorways in the whole of the UK. But it is the way it is. Hopefully it will clear up pretty quick and we can get back on our journey to the NEC to Motorcycle Live. So we got through the traffic, it's always good. Coming up to the M42 now, so we're not too far from the NEC. Those that don't know what the NEC is, it's the National Exhibition Centre. So if you're watching abroad, it's basically a big conference centre, holds massive shows in the UK, big concerts, all sorts of stuff like that. When I get there, please do forgive me if it's a bit ropey, because I've never recorded a public place. Like I said in the last video, that it's going to be something new for me, and I'm going to give it a go, because I've got to get outside my box every now and again, and I like to think I'm quite a confident person, but then things like this, it's like, no, you're really not. But yeah, stick with it, because I'm going to do my absolute best, and it's going to be a really good vlog. I'm excited for this vlog, I'm super excited to do this vlog, to get around the bikes. I am doing it on my own. You're going to see a lot of the stuff on this channel with me being on my own, and I don't mind that. I'm totally okay with that. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Right, so we've arrived at Motorcycle Live, the NEC. Just going to drink my coffee and we'll head in. So we landed at Motorcycle Live. There is one mad thing about this place, is the parking. £18.95 to park here. So if you're only here for a couple of hours at the show, let's say you got little ones with you, that is just nuts. NEC, you need to do something about that. It's never changed, has it? But yeah, price of parking's crazy. Parked on the East car park. That will take you to the All Halls entrance. here today. Oh, it's quite a walk from the car parks at the NEC to get to the halls, but I suppose a place this big you're going to struggle to get car parks anywhere else, so it is one of those things. Just got to take your little stroll all the way down there, so a couple of minutes we'll be in there, guys. So if you are coming to Motorcycle Live and you fancy something to eat, over here is Resorts World. You can take a little walk around the path from the main entrance of the NEC, along the path around to Resorts World. There's all sorts of stuff in there, Miller and Carter, steakhouses. Yeah, you got Gunias, the Gunias, I think it's Mexican or Italian or something like that, but there's restaurants inside that building over there, well worth checking out. We are nearly there with this massive walk into the NEC for Motorcycle Live 2025. Let's get it. Might as well get something crazy done. Harley Davidson.
Let's have a look through the new colour schemes. 2026.
Blue denim. What a cool looking bike this is. Wicked. Controversial denim colours, but let's be honest, that is a cool bike. So the new Street Glide. Raw denim. These are new colours for 2026. I have put something up on my socials about these. Well worth having a look at that. This is probably one of my favourites. It's like a teal, two-tone colour. The Street Glide. What a cool bike. Look at the paint. Beautiful. I think this is Harley's answer to Indian's colour schemes, if I'm honest. But again, what a fresh, cool looking bike that is. CVO Street Glide, Milwaukee 8, 197cc, 183 Newton meters of torque. 2-into-1 exhaust. What a wicked bit of kit. Absolutely loving this. And then we've got your granddad's bike, the Ultra Glide. What a cool bike the Ultra Glide is. I mean, it is the ultimate bagger, the ultimate tourer. Street Glide Ultra. Road Glide.
This list of all the performance parts of this bike.
Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer the Low Glide or the Street Glide? Lowrider S in the denim blue, Aurora denim blue. The new 117 high output engine, dual front rotors. This, in my opinion, is a great starting bike. If you want to get on a bike as your first bike, this is the bike to get. In my opinion, this is the best colour of the new 2026 lineup.
Steel metallic green and the Lowrider ST.
Now I absolutely reckon this is the best colour that they brought out so far, because everyone rages about black Harleys, but nobody remembers that there are cool as penguin piss colours out there, and this green has got to be one of them. Love that. You can get it with black instead of chrome. It's got the 117 high output engine like the others. The Road Glide in the new Purple Abyss. Nice colour for your old lady, definitely. So, same power plant as the others. They've just rocked out some new colours this year. What a bike that is. Harley Davidson Bagger World Cup bike. king of the baggers. I think this is proof that baggers can be seriously fast. If you don't know what king of the baggers is, go and look it up on YouTube. You get on the Sky Sports. What a wicked bit of kit. New Pan America 1250 ST in the Aurora denim blue. I promise I'm not just picking out the denim blue. But what a cool bike. All things adventure. They got it in the black and red, and then the full adventure pack. So that's the my end of the trip to MCL 2025. Had a really good time, definitely worth coming to. It's on till Sunday the 23rd of November, so that's this Sunday coming. So it's on for just over a week, I believe, 2 weekends plus the Monday to Friday in the middle. Definitely worth coming along. Loads of variety, loads of brands, loads of different really cool stuff, but the thing that sticks out for me is definitely the sheer amount of nice people there, the people that you can interact with and talk to. You know, I had some really good conversations. The people that I did speak to, from like Harley to Triumph to Indian to BMW, Ducati, Yamaha, Suzuki, all really welcoming people. They're not there to just sell you bikes, they're there to interact with you and make your experience really good. So definitely worth coming down. Couldn't recommend it enough. The only downsides, you see earlier, I had half a pint. That's obviously because I'm driving. But a pint is £8, half a pint's £4. You know, and if you want to get something to eat, then you're probably going to need to remortgage your house. But that's big events, and I don't think anything's going to change anytime soon. So just bear that in mind. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I apologise just before you go that some of the audio was a little bit off. I am still figuring it out, but yeah. Hit like, hit subscribe, click on the next video that's going to come up on the screen. And until the next time, guys, ride safe, keep it upright, and enjoy your motorcycle.